folks. We're here today at Hewitt, and we're going to go ahead and do a little play on leftovers. We're going to do luxurious leftovers today. We're not going to do your same old, meatloaf sandwich, which is absolutely one of the bomb things to have after having meatloaf. But we just wanted to do a little play on it. Sometimes there's somebody in the house that doesn't want to have meatloaf again. So we want to go ahead and show you a different way to kind of sneak it in there for them. And our way of doing that is we're going to do a meatloaf breakfast bake. So we're going to take our meatloaf and we're going to have some wonderful cheese in there. We're going to have eggs, and we're going to put some potatoes in there and make that into a bake. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first of all, we're going to take our leftover meatloaf here, and we're going to take our pan for it to bake it in. Now, you can use a larger casserole pan here. I'm just using this one for the size we're doing. This will feed about 4 people. Anyway, we take the meatloaf and we just break it all up into smaller pieces, about the size. Put it in there. And we get that. Okay. We have our potatoes. We've already roasted off here. And we're going to put some potatoes in here. And we're going to put a little cheese in here now also. And again, I'll have this recipe for you. The total amounts here. So I have 8 eggs in here already. We're going to use 12 for this recipe. I'm going to put 1 cup of milk in there. I'm sorry, cup of heavy cream. Now again, the amount of egg, this is basically almost like a quiche base I'm making here. And you want to season this mixture here so it goes throughout what you're baking. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour this in there and let it move down there a bit. Takes a minute to get to the bottom. Okay, then we're going to have some peppers and scallions to put in there. And then we're going to put some more cheese on top. And a little more peppers and scallions on top of that. And we're gonna go ahead and put plastic wrap and foil on this, and then we're gonna bake it in an oven at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. At 45 minutes, you want to just take a peek, jiggle a little bit, see where it's at. If it takes a little bit longer, depending on what size pan you're using, just put it in there another 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and that's it. Thank you very much.